Y'all don't understand. Like, I've been wanting to come to Greece forever.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out to Greece, full speed, so for the barrier, yeah. Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. We can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah.
So this is day 3. I meant to vlog all of this, but I've just been enjoying. So anyways, we stopped at this hotel. What's this hotel called? I'll get the name of it on the way out. But we stopped at this nice hotel, a cute little hotel, whatever, to get some breakfast.
I need more Milos.
Oh shoot, it's right there. I'm just gonna record it so they can see. But it's so nice, super chill. That was eggs and some other stuff, but it's gone. This yogurt is good.
I got some.
You got a little bit.
I'm missing my damn body.
You need more than that. You got like a spoon of yogurt.
That's all I need. I don't need that much. Why you think I need a lot?
We doing mimosas again? Yeah, so after this, we're gonna get more champagne and OJ or some mimosas. Some mimosas, a little bit of jacuzzi.
Here you go, sir.
Thank you.
Welcome.
And this just got delivered. Cause I gotta take my bathing suit pictures. I can't be looking like a pregnant whale. Today. This yogurt, hey, finally having real Greek yogurt while in Greece. I'm a yogurt lover, so.
Force me to eat it.
I force you to eat it.
Trying to.
You only got a spoon of it. You got like one little scoop. Talking about I forced him to eat it. See what these eggs do. They're not bad. This bacon look a little different.
It's ham.
It's just ham.
It's not like thick cut bacon. It's just special ham.
Oh, okay. Well, not cute at all. Not cute. It's too hot to be going out at like noon, 1, 2. Entirely too hot. It's better to go out like around like 3 or 4. But at nighttime, it's perfect. There's just this nice breeze. We can feel the breeze now. We're close to the water, but it really be hitting at night when the sun goes down. It feels great. You don't even really have to have the AC on. Just open the windows. Well, why do you look like that? Okay, y'all. Ooh, child. I got this on my head because I'm sweating out my edges. It just keeps getting in my face. I haven't vlogged much today. Today's Saturday, yeah. I haven't vlogged much today because after breakfast, I had to take a nap. To be honest, I went through a little situation. Basically, I just lost one of my friends. They didn't die or nothing, but I had to let them go and block them on everything. Phone, Snapchat, Instagram, Facebook, all of that. Because they were just being passive aggressive. Y'all ever had those friends who are passive aggressive but disguise it as a joke? They take jabs at you, and then when you go, hey, I didn't like how you said that, they're like, it's just a joke, stop being sensitive. Don't let them gaslight you into thinking that you're being sensitive. They meant what they said. They threw that stone and they hit it as a joke. And honestly, like, I'm just over that, because it's like I'm on vacation, I'm in Greece, I'm living my best life, and here comes my hating ass friend, you know, sending me very passive aggressive and judgmental messages. But anyways, it was a very draining experience, and I got the message at like 3 in the morning, so I didn't even sleep. So then I was up till like 8 o'clock because it stressed me out. So after breakfast, I just literally like slept the whole day. But I'm telling you right now, it is hot and humid. Y'all see me shining? It's sweat. That's why I got this on, because I slick my edges real good, but they about to sweat out and I just can't have that thighs sweating. I got this long dress on. I don't know if that was a smart idea for me to do, but it's gonna be tough. Anyways, y'all, I'm about to head back into the city. I still feel like I can't pronounce it properly. I think it's Ia. It's spelled O-I-A. This dress is not the business. Learn my lesson. Yeah, this is beautiful. Thank you. So, squeeze on in the inside. Thank you. Hello.
Some water. Sure. Food menu here.
Thank you.
And the drinks menu here, sir. Thank you. Let me explain you a bit the menu. Okay. Cheese, grilled or fried Greek yellow cheese. These are small spreads.
Thank you. Oh. So what is this right here?
Some type of spread, probably like some cheese spread for the grill. You want to try it?
Mm-hmm.
I just think it's like one.
You like it?
I didn't want to tear it off like an animal.
Big piece of bread. Take it that way with the rocks in the background.
Yeah, that's cool.
Put that in the background. You going right now?
Mm-hmm.
Right now?
Yeah, or you think I should?
Man, you can take it right now. We can get another picture reflection of it.
Marcelo, this is for you here.
Yes.
First start.
Ooh.
Jay?
Let me just get a zoom in on this real quick. Yes. Oh shit. I'm looking at soft. You're laughing at me. That's what guys do.
I was trying to watch the sunset.
My edge is sweating out yet?
So you probably are you Facebook friends with him? Yeah.
We need something else for the moment?
Yes. I think she getting, I think it's Coco Moco. Yeah, Coco Moco.
Okay.
Okay.
And can we also get the lobster pasta?
Thank you.
We'll go with the lobster pasta.
Yes, sir.
I'm starting to feel the breeze.
Go around that rock.
Here?
Let's go.
Enjoy.
All right, this about to get tore up.
Oh, you do.
Oh, okay.
No worries. I'm here.
All right. Perfect. Thank you.
Right.
Like, you're giving me all the lobster.
Oh.
We finished eating the lobster linguine. I'm full. It was on point. I had to fight with the lobster shells a little bit, but I mean, he mostly did that though, not me. I didn't really. He cracked them open for me. But now we about to go to this bar near our Airbnb. Might do an outfit change, I don't know. Yeah, this is nice.
It is, huh?
A little bit of night action since we ain't really done nightlife out here. Somebody whistled, but I don't know if it was at me or you.
Who?
Somebody whistled just now. I don't know if it was at me or you. You never know these days.
I whistle that shit.
You know, your butt looked kind of good in them shorts, so. Wait, pause. This part of my dress is already.
It's riding up.
Yeah. So how we get down there? Oh, you hear the music? Is that a live band? Oh, there's a wedding party right now?
Yes. Where do you stay? Where do you live at the moment?
Yeah, we right up there.
Like right up the hill over
It's like a
there.
villa.
Yes.
Yes. We saw the red light, so we're like, let's go over there.
It's the wedding, that's all. You come this way, it's a bit easier for your high heels.
Thank you. Oh, the wedding party's down there? Oh, that's nice.
These two is good. Probably not the same. Probably get something else.
Oh my. known for being a cute one. Day number 4, and we are on our way to a catamaran. They got snorkeling. It's like a cruise, and they have like snorkeling. I can't swim, so somebody else gonna get in the water. Don't be like me, y'all. Drink a lot of water. It's very hot out here. I almost passed out not too long ago. He had to make me a sandwich. So make sure you hydrate and drink a lot of water if you come out here during the summertime. Get on the catamaran. I am exhausted. I don't know what happened. I don't know where it came from, but ever since we left, I've just been feeling like terrible. I drank some water. I'm gonna drink some more water, and hopefully it passes by.
You gotta take these off.
We gotta take our shoes off?
Yep.
Oh, thank you.
Okay guys, hello and welcome on Bonita Boat. My name is Neta, I'm your hostess for today. So when you move around the boat, please hold on to the metal handles. At the front, we have 2 nets. Don't stay on net when the boat is moving. When the boat is stuck, you can do everything you want, we have no problem. If somebody's moved, the smoking area is outside of the boat in the backside, only here. No inside, no on the front, no upstairs.
Better. I'm about to go get some wine ASAP. Trying to hold on so I don't fall over the edge. I feel 1,000 times better. Definitely keeping this hat on so I don't get sunburned on my face. I'm just gonna drink the wine like right here.
You're not gonna take it out there?
I'm gonna drink one down here and take the other one.
You can take those too. She wants 2 by herself.
Yeah, 2 for me. Cheers. Open this up. It feels cooler right here, actually.
Steven.
Steven. My cousin name is Steven.
Nice.
Neda, nice to meet you.
Neda?
Yes.
Nice to meet you. What's your Clara? Nice meeting you. Look at my cameraman, y'all. So we got more wine. I know y'all probably can't hear me that well because there's a lot of wind. Oh, look at these. About to go in the hot spring. This is the part where I'm jealous that I can't swim.
They got floaties.
Yeah, I'm sure they have floaties. You have fun out there. They grew up so fast. Now let me stop. Look at this place though, it's fucking beautiful. Again, y'all, I was just here for the boat. I knew I was not getting in the water. That's why I didn't even put on a bathing suit because I'm like, no thanks. I don't trust myself. Last time I decided to try to act like I could swim, I almost drowned and my friend had to save me. So I'm just not gonna do that in the actual fucking ocean. Like I'm just not. I hope everyone enjoys themselves. Oh look, got him right on time. Got your ass.
Are you going in?
Me? No, I'm not going in. I am not a good swimmer, and we don't need that type of drama today. I know what I'm about to do, though, is find the restroom because I gotta pee, like, really bad. I've been drinking a lot of wine. I'm tipsy. But, oh my God. Y'all don't understand. Like, I've been wanting to come to Greece forever. Like, look at what's in my background. Like I can tell my daddy, like, Daddy, I went to Greece. Because he called me last night. I missed his FaceTime. I feel bad. But I can be like, Daddy, I was in Greece. That's why I couldn't answer. I can tell him that. And he's going to be like, oh, okay. Did you have fun? Are you safe? Love it. That's the joy of parents. They just want their kids to be okay. That's all. So imagine when I'm like, Daddy, I'm fine. I'm in Greece. He's gonna be like, oh. I usually try to FaceTime him when I go on a trip. So like when I was in Mexico on the beach, I FaceTimed him so that he could see his youngest daughter is having a blast and enjoying life. That's the second half of the tour. Basically going towards the end. We're heading back now. I don't know if y'all can hear me over the boat noise and the wind and the ocean. But I just want to say this is amazing. Like, everything about this was amazing. The food was amazing. The people on the boat were fucking great. The staff was awesome. I even love the how much the boat is rocking. Like, I loved it. Like, I'm just happy that I got to experience all of this, despite the fact that at the beginning of the trip, American Airlines and / British Airways ruined the ship for me. But I still made it through, and I still came to Greece, and I'm happy I did that. Will I have to get my money back? Yes, I will. But am I a regret for coming here? No, I'm not. If y'all can't tell, the boat is rocking. It feels like a roller coaster ride. I like it. But I wish the music was a little louder, because they're playing like house music or EDM or whatever. And they're playing some shit from like the 90s that I love. But they got the volume kind of low. It's okay, I'm still lit. I'm wine drunk. And I'm having a blast. So if y'all ever get a chance, take your ass to Santorini. Like, go. Do not stop. Go. Yay. Thank you. It's like a light-skinned Oreo. I know, it says a light-skinned Oreo. I literally just made a video, and it turns out it was not recording. But like I was saying, whatever I went through to get here, it was worth the hassle and the stress, because Greece has been an amazing time. Santorini has been very relaxing. If you're trying to party your brains out, this is not the place for you. But if you're trying to relax, have a good time, maybe a little vacation, you know, this is the spot. This is a vacation spot right here. Catch y'all on the next vlog.